Hi, in this video you will learn how to use Gmail to check mail from other accounts you have, for example email accounts at ICTSoft. First, you need to log in to your Gmail account. Then, click the Settings button at the upper right hand corner, this gear icon here, and click on See All Settings. Go to Accounts and Import and look for Check Mail from Other Accounts. Click Add a Mail Account and a new window will appear. Enter your full email address there. We'll use johnsmith@icttest.net and click Next. Import emails from my other account POP3 will be selected. Click Next. Under Username, you need to enter your full email address. In this case, that's johnsmith@icttest.net. Enter your mailbox password. Take a look at the value specified under POP server. It is mail dot followed by your domain name. To be able to connect securely to the mail server, you need to replace the domain name part of the POP server with the server name on which your ICTSoft hosting account resides. In this case, the domain name icttest.net is hosted on s466.sureserver.com. You can view the server name under Information on the left-hand side of your hosting control panel screen. Here is the server name. Copy that and replace your domain name with the server name. Choose port 995 from the drop-down menu. Make sure to tick the option Always use a secure connection (SSL) when retrieving mail. Whether you tick any of the other options depends on your personal preferences. For example, we want to be able to check new messages received at johnsmith@icttest.net via both Gmail and Microsoft Outlook. So we will tick the option Leave a copy of retrieved message on the server. Click Add Account. The new mail account has been added and we can now retrieve mail from this account. We're asked, would you also like to be able to send mail as johnsmith@icttest.net? For the purpose of this video tutorial, we'll choose No. If you want to be able to use Gmail to send from other email addresses you own, for step-by-step instructions, you can go ahead and play our video titled Use Gmail to send from your other email addresses. That's all. Check out our YouTube channel for more video tutorials. Bye!